So hello friends and welcome you all. So today I am going to make the unboxing and reviewing of the Saiji gooseneck mobile holder. So this mobile holder, it will be useful for everyone. So nowadays to use the mobile we will get the fatigue in the neck or so many different health issues. So to make the freedom of the hand, so we can use this mobile holder in your kitchen room, study table or on the bed, anywhere you can use. So this will be more flexible. So now we'll see, because in the market so many mobile holders are available, but in this product there are some special features that I am going to explain. Okay, so let me first unboxing this, then we'll come to know what are the different features are available with this product. Okay, give me a time so that I can make the unboxing of this product. So this box is very impressive. Even okay, so the MRP rate is given as 1499. So around 1500 the price of this product, but in the online platform you will get around 1000 rupees if you go with the Amazon. So the Amazon link will be provided in the description, you can go through it. So these are some features they have provided. The color, it can be available in rose gold, black and white. So the total length of this arm, it will be 33, so around 34 inch. And it can be compatible for the cell phones 4 to 6 inch. Okay, so up to 6 inch it can be adjustable. Okay, and this is a company name. So they can support if you have any queries or any problem with the product. So 24/7 they have the email support or chat support. Okay, now we'll make the unboxing of this product. And this is the 12-month warranty they are providing. Okay, we offer the exchange or full refund of any defective units. So you can see here. Right, so this is a product. Now we'll so this is an anti-slip silicone base. Okay, so here some of the rubbers are provided. Okay, you can fix the table up to 7 centimeter. This, you can see how hard it is, how strong it is. This metal, this is not a plastic, it is a metal. It is made with the aluminum. Okay, so this aluminum are around the diameter of 8.5 millimeter diameter inside. This is the total length, it can be up to 75 to 85 millimeter, and 4 inch it can be expand. It means that is approximately 10 centimeter. Okay, so these are the made with the silicone. Okay, grips are made with silicone, and you can, this is specially made for the mobile holder. Okay, you cannot go for the tab and all. Okay. And it can rotate up to 360 degree. And in the bottom side also you can see. So now there is a threads here, so you can extend up to 7 centimeter. Now I will fix it and I will tell you whether any changes after fixing the mobile, whether it will give the any change in their position and everything I will tell you. So friends, now you can see this product is fixed to the table. So it can easily grab the table because it's having some width also. So whatever the width of the table, it can easily grab the table. This is also very strong. This base is also very strong, right? So it will give again more durability for this base, because some other products it will get cracks here because of the lower quality. And this will be the arm here. This is made with some silicone at their end for the design purpose. And this is an aluminum arm. It can be used for to make any shape bend. You can make whatever the requirement of you can easily make the bending. And here at the end it can give the movement also, whatever the movement if you want. And also this will give the 360 degree, and here you can fix your mobile. So friends, now I have fixed to the bed. Okay, so you can watch the movie or read the book, anything by fixing this arm to your bed. Okay, so no need of holding your mobiles continuously in your hand. Okay, so this will be make you free from the hand. right? So like that you can fix to your table, and it won't give any movement, because you can see, as I told you, this is very strongest metal here, so it cannot give the any movement. So if you go for the any other product, no, that will be made with some plastic or the low cost material, so that it can give the some movement after fixing also. So this is not like that, okay. But in look wise it will be same, but when you will go for the internal material, that will be different, okay. So I suggest you to go for this material. So this can be used for recording purpose, if you are a tutor, or if you are good in drawing, or for the live streaming, okay. So for the different purpose, for men and women, both can use this one, okay. So this will be more good as compared with the other, as I can say, because this quality, it will be like a brand type, you can go for it.